YouTube, random video, cleaning my bench again. Yeah, I'm just cleaning up all these. I made a video with the aircraft rivet dies and putting it away, and what I noticed, I ordered these things online. Where do you get all these nice, like, you know, these extremely thick, even this one right here I'm using. It's like the world's greatest druggie bag. It's like made of, like, I don't know, 5mm thick plastic. It's really cool. So yeah, just cleaning the bench up, talking shit, and got all kinds of stuff. Got this little thing here. Put them all back away for now. I'll make another video in a few minutes. Bench is constantly getting dirty, constantly cleaning it up. What I do is I just throw everything on the bench, make a video, take it all off the bench, make another video, and so on and so forth. So I don't know, maybe I'll post this online. Maybe you like it. Who knows? Like, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do.